Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to disable Instagram notifications on your Android phone. If you find the constant alerts distracting or want to control what notifications you receive from Instagram, this step-by-step guide will help you manage them easily and quickly. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Then, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Next, scroll down and select Device Permissions from the menu. Now click on Notifications from List. Now click on Update Device Settings when prompted. Then click on Open Device Settings. You will now be taken to your phone settings. Next, select Manage Notifications. Finally, turn off the notifications to stop Instagram alerts on your phone. That's how you disable Instagram notifications on your Android device. Following these simple steps will give you more control over your phone alerts and help reduce distractions throughout your day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.